Hello, children. My name is Christopher Adeboatin, your mathematics teacher. Our topic for today is cardinal and ordinal numbers. Cardinal and ordinal numbers. But before then, we will go through the homework I gave you last week. So let us look at the homework. Use the symbols equal to or not equal to make the sentences true. "19 plus 17. What do we get? 36. "19 plus 17 equals 36. Now let's see. Is 36 the same as 46? No. So we say 36 is not equal to 46. 36 is not equal to 46. We can write it down here as 36, 46 is not equal to. Number 2, 35 plus 18. How do we get? 53. We get 53. 53 is the same as 53. So we say 53 is equal to 53. 53 is equal to 53. So we bring our equal sign. Number 3, 34 minus 10. How do we get? 24. "24 is the same as 24. So we say 24 is equal to 24. Again, 24 is equal to 24. Number 4, 45 minus 12. What do we get? 33. Is 33 the same as 36? No. So we say 33 is not equal to 33 is not equal to 36. "48 minus 11. That will give us 48. That will give us 37. Is 37 the same as 39? No. So we say 37 is not 37 is not equal to 37 is not equal to 39. Now our topic is cardinal and ordinal numbers. Cardinal and ordinal numbers. Our objective, by the end of the lesson, you will be able to write cardinal and ordinal numbers. You will be able to write cardinal and ordinal numbers. So we have two things to talk about today. What are they? Cardinal and ordinal numbers. Now we begin with cardinal numbers. Cardinal answers questions like how many. For example, how many sisters do you have? I have 7 sisters. So 7 is a cardinal number. How many boys are in this classroom? Yes. There are 17 boys in this classroom. 17 is a cardinal number. How many girls are in this classroom? 14. So 14 is a cardinal number. How many friends do you have? Or how many playmates do you have? 4. Yes, so 4 is a cardinal number because it is talking about how many or quantity. 4 is a quantity, 6 is a quantity. So they are all cardinal numbers. Now let's look at what we have here. Count and write the number of items in each group. Count and write the number of items in each group. How many members do you have in the first set? 1, 2, 3. How many? 3. How many? 1, 2, 3. So you have 3 objects. So that means 3 is a cardinal number. Let's go to diagram 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many elements? 4. You have 3 members here, 4 there. So 3 is a cardinal number. 4 is also a cardinal number. Diagram 3, let's count the number of members. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? 6. Let's go over and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? 6. So 6 is also a cardinal number. Let's go to 4. Number 4. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many are they? 8. So 8 is also a cardinal number. Five. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many? 9. It means 9 is also a cardinal number. It is telling us how many members are in this set, or the quantity that we have in this set, and that is 9. Let's go to number 6. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many? 10. So it means 10 is a cardinal number. So all the numbers 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, they are all cardinal numbers. There are other numbers, 15, 20, 75, 80, they are all cardinal numbers because they talk about how many, or they talk about quantity. Now let's look at what we have here. We are coming to count them. Let's count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many rows do we have? 8. So 8 is a cardinal number. 8 is a cardinal number. Let's count the next rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are they? 4. So 4 is also a cardinal number. Let's count the pens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many are they? 7. So 7 is a cardinal number. 7 is a cardinal number. 4 is a cardinal number. 9 is a cardinal number. Now let's check this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many rows did we get? 9. So 9 is a cardinal number. Again, 9 is a cardinal number. Check the black. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many are they? 12. So 12 is a cardinal number because it's telling us how many of the rows we have. Let's count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many did we get? 10. It also means that 10 is a cardinal number. 10 is a cardinal number. Now let us continue. So you see here, cardinal numbers talk about quantity or how many. Quantity or how many. So we say all counting numbers are cardinal numbers. All counting numbers are cardinal numbers. Examples are 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So even if you say 2,000, 2,000 is a cardinal number. I said earlier on that we had two things to consider: cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers. Now we have come to the end of cardinal numbers. Let's come to ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers talk about position. That is all. It talks about position. For example, when you were in P1, third term, you wrote an examination. I want everyone here to tell me his or her position in the third term exams. Domenza, what was your position? Yes, what was your position? 5th. The next one, 10th. The next one, 1st. Very good. The next one, 4th. The next one, 17th. The next one, 21st. The next one, 18th. The next one, 22nd. The next one, 25th. The next one, 27th. The next one, 28th. The next one, 31st. The next one, 32nd. The next one, 33rd. The next one, 35th. All these numbers, all these positions are ordinal numbers. Why? They are ordinal numbers because they talk about positions. They talk about what? Positions. Now let's look at these diagrams. Ordinal numbers. Now, looking on the board, which of these diagrams was drawn first? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Which of them was drawn first? Yes, number 1. So this is first. This one was drawn first. This is how we spell first, but we write it as. You see, the last two letters of the word first is attached to one. That makes it an ordinal number first. You see the ST here in the word first, and then ST attached to one. That makes it an ordinal number. Now let's look at number 2. That is second. Second. That is how we spell it. Second. Then this will be you see the last two letters of the word second is attached to 2. So that is second. Number 3. That is the third one. So, say third. 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 And this is the spelling. When you want to write it, you see the RD is attached to 3, making it third. The last one, that is, from third we go to where? Fourth. So let's write fourth. That is the fourth. What are the two last letters? TH. So we write fourth as this. The TH. We have first, ST, first. Second ND, so you write 2 and then ND. Third, THIRD. You see the RD, it is attached to 3. So that makes it third. Then fourth, FOURTH. So you write 4 and attach to it TH. So we have first, second, third, fourth. There are so many of them, 100th, 120th, 115th. They are all ordinal numbers because they talk about positions. Ordinal numbers talk about positions. It is not only in competitions, exams that we talk about positions. In competitions, like singing competition, football, netball, all schools, you gather and you play the football. You say, oh, St. Augustine's Basic School, they were first. Or St. Andrews from Fosu, they were third. See, all these are telling us the positions. So we say they are ordinal numbers. We have examples here. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. See the ST. See the ST. ST, first. 2, ND. Second, the last 2 letters, ND. That's it. Third, the last 2 is RD. Third. Fourth, the last 2 letters, TH, attached to the 4. 4, the TH, fifth, and so many other positions. All these are ordinal numbers. They are ordinal numbers. Now we have come to the end of the lesson, but let me repeat this. Cardinal numbers. To remind you so that you don't forget when you go home. Cardinal numbers deal with quantity, or cardinal numbers answer questions like how many, and ordinal numbers answer questions like what is your position? What is your position? Or you can say, if it is past, it's gone. Like you are first class 1, third term results. What was your position? Because it is past. And you can answer, I took the 4th position. I took the 11th position. I took the 20th position. They are all telling us about ordinal numbers, that is their positions. So we have finished with our objectives, which he said we had 2 things to think about. Cardinal numbers, which talks about quantity or answer the question, how many, and then quantity. So how many, you tell us. Or if it is quantity, you tell us. Then ordinal numbers, you just tell us your position. You can't say, I am number 4, or I took 4 position. No, you say, I took the 4th position. I took the 10th position. That is questions that ordinal numbers answer. Now let's look at our homework. Group the following into cardinal and ordinal numbers. Group the following into cardinal and ordinal numbers. 2, 3, 8, 9, 1st, 3rd, 8th, 10th, 12, 13, 17, 19, 21, 24, 25, 26, 30th, 35th, 37th, 40th, 41st, 50th, and 53rd. This is your homework. Children, we have come to the end of the mathematics lesson. Do the homework. I wish you all well.